this will be your living and the dining area. Now let's have a look at the kitchen area with the beautiful interior work done. You can have a look at the spacious room size. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal, and today we are here at Symphony Heights, a project developed by Disha Habitat, and this project is located in Hennur, North Bangalore, and today we are here to check out the 3 BHK model flat. But before starting the video, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let me show you the surrounding of our Symphony Heights. So basically I'm standing in front of the marketing office, and this is the marketing office where we'll be getting all the information and details, and our land parcel is just beside our marketing office where the construction work is in full swing. Now let's discuss about the project overview. So the project is spread across 2 acres of land parcel consisting of single signature tower of ground plus 20 floor, offering you 3 and 3.5 BHK premium residencies. Now about the amenities, and the project provides you world-class luxurious amenities like of here's the walking track up to 1 kilometer, podium level of amenities like of kids play zone, sitting area, rooftop amenities like of sports court, swimming pool, and many more. Now let's discuss about the location part, and the project is located on Doddagubbೆ main road in Hennur, Bangalore. So now let me show you the neighborhood of the project, and this is the Doddagubbೆ main road taking you towards Anganapura, and the opposite side road will take you towards Tanisandra main road. So you can connect to Manyata Tech Park in 10 minutes, KIATB is 20 minutes away, and airport is 25 minutes from your location. So this is your 1796 square feet of 3 BHK model flat at this project. Let's have a look. So before you enter, let me show you the main entrance, and this is the main entrance of your house, the grand entrance. Now once you enter, there will be no direct living or the dining area. So as you can see in this model apartment, they have not shown you, but there will be a massive foyer area for your privacy. And then when you will enter, this will be your living and the dining area. So you can have a look at the living and the dining area. This is the part of your living area where you can set your sofa set, the TV unit, and your own things as per your need. The other part of the living area where you can set your dining table in this way, the huge grand dining area, which has a connecting balcony as well. So once you enter inside the balcony, you can have a look at the flooring with wooden finishing, anti-skid flooring, iron railing, and you can enjoy a perfect view of the city. You can have a look. The balcony is much more spacious where you can add up your own things. You can make it as a play area for your kids, your gardening area. You can add up your couches, your table. Now let's move inside and check out the kitchen area. So basically one more thing to add up over here, as per the layout for this configuration, the kitchen is added beside the foyer area. Now let's have a look at the kitchen area with the beautiful interior work done for your reference with the cabinets, the platform, which has attached utility area as well, with window for ventilation and lighting purpose, provision for your 2 machines, moving further towards your bedroom space. So right over this side is your bedroom number 1. Once you move inside and step inside this bedroom, you can have a look at the spacious bedroom with a bed space, window for ventilation and lighting purpose, your work table you can add up over here, the wardrobe which is on the other side, the huge wardrobe space. Now let's move towards your bedroom number 2, but before that, right over here is the common washroom with anti-skid flooring, CP sanitary fitting, and shower glass partition as well. Now this is your bedroom number 2. So once you step inside the bedroom, let me inform you one more thing, that in this house they have shown you the square size of vitrified flooring, but for this configuration there will be double size of vitrified flooring. Now this is your bedroom number 2 with the ample of space to move around inside the room with a bed space, Here's your study table and your window for ventilation and lighting purpose. They have even showed you and provided you the balcony. So there will be two configurations. Either you can choose balcony with kids bedroom, or you can choose balcony with master bedroom. So this is the balcony with anti-skid wooden finishing flooring, iron railing, and giving you perfect view. Now let's check out the wardrobe space which is placed right over here. Now about the washroom. So this bedroom comes with a private washroom as well, right this side, with anti-skid flooring, CP sanitary fittings and shower glass partition. About the master bedroom, but before that let me introduce you all with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tour with such sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features on the Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free only on Housey.com. Now about the master bedroom. So this will be the entrance for your master bedroom. Once you enter, you can have a look at the spacious room size, where the master bed is right in the center of the house, a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, work table, and there is ample of space to move around inside the room. Here you can add up your wardrobe, and there are two wardrobe spaces over here. One is the hidden one. Private attached washroom with anti-skid flooring, CP sanitary fitting and shower glass partition. So now, as you all know, we are here in Hennur location. Have you checked another project in Hennur? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking for more details of this project, you can check out in the I button where we have provided all the details. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.